Lose arm wrestling often? Try these moves at home. No gear needed. Train steadily. In weeks you'll hardly lose. Use wrist wraps. TFCC tears easily. Heals poorly. Damage it and training's over. Wrap for wrist work. Stops your wrist from bending outward. Protecting TFCC. Medium firm. Springy. Hold shape. Great for workouts. First move. Hold 45 seconds. Warm up. Stand tall. Bend forward. Hands at chest. Fingers interlaced. Now make circles with your wrists, ensuring you go through the full range of motion. Second move. Hold 45 seconds. Knees and hands on floor, palms in. Lift knees. Keep fingers in same place. Your knuckles should remain on the floor. Return to the starting position and repeat the movement. Rest for 15 seconds. You can also extend the rest time based on your personal condition. Third move. Hold 45 seconds. Kneeling push-up. Knees on floor. Feet lifted. Fingertips support your upper body. Now do a push-up, lowering your body to the floor. When you reach the bottom, push back up to the starting position and repeat the movement. Fourth move. Hold 45 seconds. Stand. Arms shoulder high. Palms down. Now make a fifth, gripping your palm with your fingers. Hold for a moment, then release. Repeat this exercise. Rest for 15 seconds. Fifth, hold 45 seconds. Base table, hands on edge. Lean forward, shift some weight up. Now lift the base of your palms so that they go over the edge of the table. Hold for a moment, lower to the starting position, and repeat the exercise. Move 6. Hold 45 seconds. Get into a high plank position. Your palms should be facing down, and you should keep your body in a straight line. Congrats. Practice done.